This is wood bleach. The main ingredient in this product is oxalic acid. It's a chemical that effectively removes tannin spots and black water rings from unfinished and stripped wood. You can use it as a lightener as well. To use it, you mix the powder in hot water. Be sure to follow instructions for the correct ratio. Once it dissolves, you'll put the mixture onto the unfinished wood with the scrub brush. I put mine on with a paintbrush and then scrubbed it in with a very high grit sandpaper, like wet sanding, in lieu of the scrub brush. You can repeat this process every 10 minutes until you get the results that you want. Make sure to triple rinse with clean water once you're done. If you're using a water-based top coat afterwards, rinse the wood with a diluted baking soda solution to deactivate the wood bleach. Always remember, wear the proper PPE. Avoid getting this on your skin or in your eyes. Always wear gloves, goggles, and wear a respirator to avoid breathing in any of the dust from this product. It really works effectively, and for the price, you really can't go wrong.